Hi guys, welcome to Abhyaas Law Prep. Today we are here with important update. So, Goa Law University has released a notification regarding its vacant seats. So, if you go into Google and type NLU vacant seats, the first website you will find here is Abhyaas Law Prep. Click on it and scroll. You can see all the national law universities here and the notification and application links available in our website. If it is yet to be released, we'll have it as yet to be released. And if you go down, if you scroll and scroll, there we have IIULER Goa. And for this, if you click here, you will be redirected to the notification. This is the notification we have from Law University of Goa. You can see that it has released a notification for vacant seats that are yet to be released. Okay, so it's available for both BA LLB and BBA LLB. Please note that the last date for submitting the expression of interest against these vacant seats is 15th July. 15th July is the last date, and if you click on this link, you will be redirected to the application form here. Okay, so please understand that you should be already logged into your Google account with the email in which you want to receive the response from the university. Okay, make sure you are using the same email in which you want to receive the response from the university, because here you will be having the Google form and it will be asking, can it record it as the email that you have provided or the email that you are logged in with. Okay, then you will be giving your name and complete address, mobile number, CLAT admit card, CLAT score card, and of course if you are preferring only BA, then it would be only one option. If you prefer both of them, BA and BBA, you can click two options and you can just submit the form. Okay, note that there are no cutoff ranks. If you have given your CLAT, then please just upload your scorecard here in the format of PDF. Hope you got the update with this video. Thank you for watching.